So welcome back at PlanetDriving. As you see, here are some minor updates on Tony I would like to show you. So basically, as you can see, we already fitted the new Stub-Axles. Let's keep it like this. That would be perfect. And we can still kind of set it up properly. And then, of course, we have the new Alfano ready. So that gets to be fitted. That was our old lap timer, didn't really work, and the ref counter for ref and temperature didn't really work either. So we have here probably the coolest steering wheel for a car you can find. It's a January Formula steering wheel from OMP. So we have a carbon plate in front of where we can actually mount the lap timer to. So that will be the plan for doing now. So yeah, basically I need to fit the wheel with the plate to the steering column first, but I can show you it's actually perfect fit. As you can see, just enough space to clear the connectors and the battery pack. So that would look cool. It would look super awesome actually. So yeah, let's put the wheel onto the hub first. Alrighty, so steering wheel back on. So what we need to do now is put that guy on. Even says 8 degrees. And let's see if that one actually works. So it should be able to detect my body temperature actually, yeah? Temperature is going up to 10-11 degrees already. So yeah, I just need to put that one in as well. Pretty much. With the little update, we also actually, as I can do, we also put the new sprocket on, smaller sprocket for the other track to be used there, and we just need to order a new chain, a shorter one, so that we can drive this sprocket with the clutch gearing. And also we had some broken, they're already in the rubbish, I guess. Yeah. It's actually funny, the car was sitting around for 2 years, so actually they don't look that bad. If you just see them now, but very brittle. So we changed those ones too. We bought 4 new ones, so that means we have one, 2 which are still good. We had them glued, or they have been put on the axle, so we have 4 new ones. So what we'll do, we'll get out the axle, lift it up, put those new rings on, glue them here, store them, so we have like 4 backup ones and 2 new ones already. So we just need to lose the water pump to get them fit over easily, put them tight, and then brake fluid flush and cleaning carburetor, putting new fuel and new water in, and then let it start at least once. The new bottom plate has been made currently, so we'll be here in 1 week, and we can fit that too. And then it's just like small details, and then we are ready to go actually. Stay tuned. Of course, subscribe to my channel. Follow the progress on Instagram and Facebook as well. You'll find the links below, and yeah, I would be happy if you see you in the next video. So leave me a like, and bye bye.